Hi guys, Francis here with TheBrimFactor, and in today's video we're going to try to link our GBP account from Gray to Wise, and let's get into it. But before we get into it, I just want to bring to you guys notice that we are trying to start posting on a schedule. We will be posting on Tuesdays and Saturdays. We're trying to do this so that you know when to expect content from us, but of course if there's anything that comes in between those days, we're going to post. But officially we want to start putting out videos on Tuesdays and on Saturdays. Take note of that. So let's get into today's video. So we're going to go to accounts on Gray, all the details that we need for linking. If you have not seen the video where I talked about how to create a Gray account, create a virtual account and link it to Payoneer and all of that stuff, probably throw this video as well into that playlist. But if you've not seen the previous ones, you need to check that out. So if we want to add a bank account on Wise, what we need to do is go to recipients. And so now you can see that we can add a bank account. I already have one bank account linked, and now we're going to add a new bank account, and this is going to be a GBP account, and we have all the details that we need. So we're going to say local bank account, of course, because we have the sort code number and we also have the account number. So I'm just going to quickly copy that from here, and I'll just paste it here, and then we go back and get the account number, which is this one. Head back to Wise and paste that account number here, and then we click on confirm. It says we couldn't check this account. We recommend checking your recipient before continuing to avoid sending to the wrong account number. So but we're sure that we know what we're doing, so I'm going to say I understand the risk. And now you can see that a recipient has been added, and you can see the account number ending in 1404, which is this one right here, has been added. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try to make a withdrawal from here to my GBP account and see how that goes. So to make a withdrawal, I'm just going to click on send, and then here, because I'm not sending in the same currency, I'm going to say international, and I'm trying to send from my USD account to my GBP account. So I'm going to scroll down here until I find the GBP. So I'm going to just say let's do $2, and I'm going to receive 1.27. So we're going to click on continue. So now, as you can see, we can select our GBP account, which we've just added, and I'm going to click on that. Now you can see that we can go ahead and check out the details of this transaction we're trying to initiate, and on and on. So but let's just do this and click on confirm and send. Of course, it's going to require our password. We're going to enter that quickly, click on done, and approve transfer using SMS code is the next step. So I am going to get sent a code, and I can just take that code right here, and we are done. So you can see that the transaction is starting, and we are going to get notified once that transaction is completed. The transaction has not yet showed up on our GBP account, but I'm going to let you guys know how long it takes for me to receive this amount in my Gray account. So as you can see, these are the details of the transaction. We initiated this transaction around 1:30. I used my USD balance, but I'll get paid in GBP, and the transfer was successfully sent. And keep in mind that it could take up to 2 working days for your bank to be credited with the amount. So yeah, that's it guys. As you can see here, the money is not yet in my GBP account. I'll let you guys know how long it takes for me to get this money in my GBP balance, but 9 times out of 10, once it goes through like that, it's usually not reversed, as long as the account has no issues and I am sure of my account details that I entered. Don't forget, we have the Fiverr event tomorrow. Check the link in the description to get to register for that event. And also, like I said, look out for our videos on Tuesdays and on Saturdays. And we're also planning a couple of live videos. We want to start doing lives and interacting with you guys live. And also guys, I encourage you to like our videos, subscribe to the channel, and comment, engage on our community posts, on polls that we do, even in the comment section of videos. Let us start to build a relationship and help each other make money online, invest, and do all of the beautiful stuff that we do in this internet space. Thank you guys for being a part of the family. Thank you guys for all the support and everything. I really appreciate. I don't take it for granted, and I will see you guys whenever I see you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.